Children don't just grow while they sleep. They grow because they sleep. Most parents unknowingly do one small thing every night that disrupts their child's emotional stability. This one mistake weakens attention span, increases anxiety, and affects what children remember from school. And the good news is, you win. Fixing this mistake takes less than 10 minutes each night.
By the end of this video, you'll understand what neuroscientists actually recommend for bedtime routines.
You'll also discover the hidden mistake millions of loving parents make every single night. Tonight, we dive into bedtime psychology and how fixing one habit transforms your child's brain. Fixing this changes your child's behavior, sleep quality, mood, and overall brain development significantly. Section 1. The bedtime mistake most parents don't even know they are making. Here is the core mistake. Most parents focus on getting the child to sleep, not on how the child feels. Science is extremely clear. Often, a child's emotional state in the last 20 minutes before bed matters enormously. That emotional state decides how fast the child falls asleep and how deeply they sleep through the night. It also determines how often the child wakes at night and how their brain stores memories the next day. This means the real bedtime routine begins in the child's mind, not in the bed itself. But here is what actually happens in many homes. Parents rush the child and raise their voice.
There are threats like, if you don't sleep now, last-minute chaos, and endless bedtime negotiations happening.
Screens stay on until the final minute, and good nights are emotionally cold with zero real connection. To the parent, it looks like simply trying to get the child to finally fall asleep tonight. But to the child's brain, it feels like going to bed stressed, disconnected, and mentally activated. A stressed brain does not sleep perfectly. It fights, it resists, and it stays completely active. Then parents ask, why does bedtime take so long? Why does my child keep getting up?
The brain simply cannot transition into sleep from a state of stress, overstimulation, or disconnection. Section 2. What neuroscience actually reveals about children and bedtime sleep patterns.
Research from sleep scientists and child development experts consistently shows 4 powerful key findings.
Finding 1. Children sleep significantly better when they feel emotionally safe before going to bed.
Emotional safety signals activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the brain's natural calm mode. Finding 2. Secure parent-child connection before bed reduces night awakenings by up to 50%. This is not magic. It is pure biology working exactly as the human brain was designed. Finding 3. Screens delay the release of melatonin by 60 to 90 minutes before sleep.
Even just 10 minutes of screen stimulation at bedtime can significantly delay when a child falls asleep.
Finding 4. A predictable bedtime routine increases emotional stability and self-regulation in children.
Children thrive on consistency because their brains rely on patterns to feel genuinely safe. Section 3. The correct bedtime routine, backed by psychology, neuroscience, and decades of practical experience.
Step 1 is the emotional wind-down, starting 20 to 30 minutes before the child actually sleeps. This step is the one most parents skip completely, but it is actually the most important one. A child must first transition emotionally before they can transition physically into sleep successfully. Here is what works. Start with a soft, slower voice from the parent during wind-down time.
Dim the lights, use gentle movements, reduce commands, and increase your connection with the child. Avoid arguments and avoid mental stimulation. No screens, no excitement, no intense conversations near bedtime.
The message must be calm, and the atmosphere must be calm, so the child's brain naturally follows. Step 2 is the connection ritual, the code, the secret ingredient that so many parents consistently miss. This is your real power as a parent, and the moment your child's brain says, "I am safe." When the child feels safe, the brain says, "I can finally rest, bud," and sleep comes naturally. Choose one connection ritual every night. It could be a simple 2-minute cuddle with your child. Or try a short gratitude moment. Ask your child what their best moment of the day was. A soft conversation, a bedtime prayer, or a simple loving phrase works beautifully before sleep. A phrase like, "You are safe," "You are loved," "You did well today," works powerfully for children.
This single connection moment, supported by attachment theory, enhances emotional regulation and reduces bedtime resistance. Step 3 is the predictable physical routine, but note it comes after the emotional preparation first.
Most parents begin here at step 3 broadside, but starting here without steps 1 and 2 is the mistake.
A healthy physical routine includes a bath or warm wipe down and brushing teeth before bed. Then comes pajamas, followed by one low-stimulation activity like a storybook or soft music. Quiet talking also works as a wind-down activity. Predictability tells the nervous system it is time to shut down. Step 4 is the calm exit strategy recess. And this is where many parents often get it badly wrong. After tucking the child in, avoid long negotiations, repeated going in and out, and emotional reactions. Avoid over-talking after tucking in. Instead, reassure once and keep your voice soft and confident. Keep your body language confident and create a sense of finality without any tension or anxiety. Your calm communicates everything to your child. It says the world is okay and you can sleep now. Section 4, Neuroscience. 5 psychologist-backed tips to genuinely improve bedtime within just 7 days. Tip 1. Remove all screens at least 45 minutes before bed. This is scientifically proven. Screen removal is one of the most scientifically proven sleep transformers available to parents today. Tip 2. Slow down your voice and your movements. Children naturally mirror the parent's nervous system. Tip 3. Create a pre-sleep anchor phrase your child hears every single night before sleeping. Examples include, "It's time to relax our bodies," "Let the day go now," or "It's rest time." The brain associates these words with relaxed states, so the phrase itself triggers the calm response. Tip 4. Give choices instead of commands. Say, "Before pajamas" or "After pajamas," not "Go brush now." Giving children control significantly reduces their bedtime resistance, and it works every single time. Tip 5. End every day with emotional closure. Nothing emotional should remain unresolved before sleep. Ask simply, "Is there anything you want to tell me before you sleep?" This prevents anxiety-based awakenings. Children sleep deeper when nothing emotional is left unresolved or hanging over their young minds. Bedtime is not just about sleep. It is about connection, safety, brain development, and emotional regulation. When you change how your child goes to bed, you transform their mornings and their mood completely. You also transform their learning ability, their relationships, their confidence, and their emotional stability long-term. A peaceful bedtime is not a luxury. It is a gift and a scientific investment in your child's future. So tonight, give your child the one thing every young brain desperately needs:
Emotional safety before sleep.